So with Ken Caryl, I actually want to also share a personal story because I have some family that I helped sell their home just last year in the Ken Caryl area, but specifically in an area called North Ranch at Ken Caryl. And this is one of the coolest spots in town. So definitely you guys want to check out North Ranch. I have a whole other video all about North Ranch that I'll share with you as a link up above. But the reason I wanted to talk a little bit more about why I love Ken Caryl, it's such a cool area that's right up against the mountains. So it's on the far, far west side of Littleton. And you have just amazing access, not just to go up and go skiing and hit up all the mountain towns, but there's just all this great trail system within Ken Caryl where you don't even have to really leave your suburb or your neighborhood to get outside and really enjoy a lot of what the great things that Denver and Colorado have to offer. Also, on top of just the views, you have a lot more wildlife on this side of town. When I was listing this house I'm talking about last year, we actually had frequently bear, bobcat, and a ton of deer that almost act just like the neighborhood pets in the area because they're so calm and domesticated at this point. They'll be sitting in the front yard, just hanging out on the back porch. Pretty much anywhere you go in Ken Caryl, especially this North Ranch portion, you're going to find a ton of deer.